Hi guys, welcome to this very short video about the OshenWatch and the problem which a lot of people are facing when they buy and get the OshenWatch. So a lot of people are really struggling to get it even after 2 or 3 months, but it looks like finally most of the people are getting the watch, and then they are struggling with a lot of things, and one thing is this thing here, how to charge the OshenWatch. I mean, I don't have it, I don't like it, I'm not going to buy it. I mean, for people following my channel, you know that I'm not a big fan of the OshenWatch. I'm still thinking that it is, I mean, not a full scam, but it's definitely way overpriced for what it can do for the functions. But I just want to help people out there if they are struggling to get this thing working. And the first thing, when you take it out of the box, you have to detach one side of the watch bands. I mean, the upper part, you can see that here, you can see the watch with the band, so you have to pull it out here, and after that it will look like this, and you can just push it inside a normal USB plug, I mean USB port, something like that. So this part here comes into this part here. Yeah, that's the only picture which I have found so far in the internet. But yeah, that's pretty simple, it's pretty easy. Some people like it, some people don't like it, that you don't have a cable. Just push the watch inside the USB port and then it should be charging. So that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.